Hi, I'm Ania Kieniewicz from ECHA's HR, and I'm very proud to be working at ECHA since 2010, and I am a traineeship coordinator for about 9 years now. I really enjoy working with people. From my picture, you can already see as well that I like feeding marmots in beautiful Swiss Alps, as I am a passionate Switzerland lover. However, I am as well the biggest EU fan, and that's why I would like to talk to you about our traineeship program here at ECHA. You can gain practical experience in our multicultural environment with 28 different nationalities and a lot of new trainees being in the same boat with you. You will not be alone. And believe me, you won't be just observing, you will be contributing to real projects from day one. Around 1 month before joining ECHA, you will have the opportunity to connect with future trainees and current trainees to ask some practical questions, create the WhatsApp group to stay in touch, exchange accommodation ideas, or meet up for the first time. You can learn and build a valuable professional network that will benefit you for years to come, and be sure that you will get a true experience in working within the international environment. You will profit as well from our mentor buddy program, a colleague who will guide you throughout your traineeship, supporting you on a daily basis with hints and tips. We are welcoming you from all different study fields like chemistry, finance, toxicology, human resources, or IT. You don't need to be a scientist to have your traineeship with us. Our traineeships last 6 months, starting 1st of March, giving you the opportunity to experience the white nights in the summer, and on 1st of September, allowing you to have a taste of cold winter and maybe even visiting Lapland and Santa Claus. And I would like to point out that there is no possibility to extend the duration of the traineeships. If it is about the eligibility criteria, minimum bachelor's degree is required, sufficient level of English, as this is our working language, and you should be ideally a citizen of EU or EEA countries, and you cannot have more than 8 weeks of any kind of working experience in any other EU agency or institution. But let's talk about money. We have a competitive traineeship grant of around 1,670 euros. And we reimburse your travel costs at the beginning and at the end of a traineeship, if you will move from a distance of more than 200 kilometers from Helsinki. And now, a few words about accommodation. To help you find a place to stay, we offer you a list of websites and Facebook groups where you will be able to find something suitable. Most of the websites are as well in English. Please, however, be aware of scammers. Trainees do not belong to ECHA's health insurance schemes. So when joining us, you should make sure that your insurance covers you in case of sickness or accidents. The European health insurance card is always a great option, and you can also opt for a private insurance company during your traineeship. Let's talk about some highlights of the traineeship. The working time is 40 hours a week, and we have a hybrid working arrangements, which means that you can work 2 days from the office and the remaining 3 days you can work from home, but here in Helsinki area. To take the most of the short 6 months, I do strongly recommend coming to the office as often as possible. We also have a very active staff club here that organizes activities like floorball, dancing, or yoga. And at ECHA, we have a free access to the gym, so you will be able to pump up those muscles before the work, during the lunch break, or even after the work. Did I wake your curiosity to join us? Then here are a few tips on how to apply and how to make your application more attractive. We publish our traineeship vacancies around mid-March till mid-April for traineeships starting in September, or around mid-September till mid-October for traineeships starting in March. Visit our webpage and apply for open traineeship posts of your interest and suitable skills before the deadline. Please don't leave the application for the last moment, as it needs to be submitted before the closing time. In the application, indicate information on your education, describe your work experience in some sentences. Take your time especially to fill in the motivation part, as this is what will distinguish you from other applicants and increase your chances of getting the post. Hopefully, you will be invited to the Teams interview and after that selected for the traineeship of your interest. Remember, your application is your business card. Let us know why you should be our next trainee. Please remember as well to subscribe to our newsletter on open vacancies found on ECHA's webpage. Thank you and see you around.